Google Pixel phones are amazing. They're fast, smooth, and run pure Android. This makes them both stylish and always up-to-date features-wise. Did you know that Google has enabled a feature that lets you customize your voicemail? You record a salutation with your own voice. When you can't pick up a call, people will hear your recorded message and get the chance to leave a recording for you. This effectively replaces your carrier's voicemail whenever your phone is on and network coverage is available. In other scenarios, your carrier's default recorded message will handle it. Leave a like, share, and subscribe, because I just brought you back a classic, fun tech tutorial, OG stuff. Without further ado, here's how to do it.